more nostalgia. Here are more of the Heathkit electronic trainers. My high school was getting rid of the kits because they were switching to more modular kits. So I got these for free. If the frequency was greater, I could have used this generator to power the primary, but the frequency generator doesn't seem to work anyway. This one just gives you a lot of breadboard space. And this one you saw earlier. It has a free settings clock, voltage sources, switches, and LEDs. I also got a microprocessor trainer kit, but it didn't work. It used the Motorola 6800, which is an 8-bit predecessor of the 68000. The 68000, by the way, was used in the original Sun workstations, the original Amigas, the original Macs, the Atari STs, the Silicon Graphics Inc. graphics terminals, and the Apollo workstations. There are a few simulators for the ET3400 trainer kit you can use. One can't be used natively in a 64-bit machine since it is a 16-bit program. You would have to run it in a virtual machine or emulator. And it has problems anyway. Another program just doesn't seem to work at all. I repurposed the keypad for a manual control of my robot arm in case you wanted to leave the computer out of it. These kits came with excellent instructional manuals, which teach the various electronics principles. Here's my first Radio Shack electronics kit. It's a 150 experiments in one kit. You connect components together by putting the wires into the springs. I don't know what happened to that capacitor. Here's the 201 kit you saw earlier. This was my second kit. It also has digital electronics, NAND gates, and JK flip-flops. Here's another kit with just power and lots of breadboard space. Here's another bit of nostalgia. I didn't actually have any of these Hobby-Blox, but before I got any of the breadboard type kits, I did want them. You can slide in the various breadboard strips, holders, trays, and panels you need. If you want to get into how capacitors and inductors behave in circuits, there's one mnemonic to keep in mind. One of the Test the Coil videos on YouTube mentions Eli Ice. I was taught a slightly better version, Eli the Iceman. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, etc. And if you click subscribe, click the bell to receive notifications of future videos.